Right now, this type of paper crafting videos pulling millions of views because this is relaxing, creative, and incredible satisfying videos that people can't stop watching. And this type of videos you can easily create your own mobile phone with only 3 simple steps. So, if you're thinking to make this type of videos and getting millions of views, you are click the right video, because in this video I will show you exactly how to make this type of videos using AI. And it's 100% free just for you. First of all, head over to this docs file link in the description. In this docs file, you will see the master prompt. This prompt is fully designed to generate high-quality prompts that work specifically for these paper crafting videos, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. At the end of this document, I have also included a universal prompt. With this one, all you need to do is replace the name of the object, animal, or subject you want to create, and the rest of the prompt will automatically adapt to generate a detailed result in the same style. So, just copy the entire master template prompt. Prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy everything carefully without missing a single line. After copy the complete prompt, head over to ChatGPT and paste the complete prompt. After pressing enter, wait a few seconds and ChatGPT will give you the 10 unique paper crafting video ideas for you. Pick idea one of these as you like. For this tutorial, I will choose number 6. Now just copy the idea number and paste it back into ChatGPT and press enter. Now ChatGPT will give you the detailed storyboard image prompt that visually map out the entire crafting process, and a complete video generation prompt based on that storyboard. Once the both prompts have been generated, you have ready to move on the next step. Now copy the storyboard image prompt completely and paste it into the same chat in ChatGPT. Now click this plus icon and choose Create Image in these filters. Press enter. Wait a few seconds and ChatGPT will convert your simple storyboard prompt into a high-quality storyboard image with excellent consistency showing the entire paper crafting process in a frame-by-frame, making it the perfect visuals guide for creating the final video. After the image is generated, just download it because we'll be using it in the next step. Now open the Flow AI. Click this filter icon, select video with 9:16 ratio. Now click this plus icon and add the storyboard image that you will created in ChatGPT. Now back to ChatGPT, scroll up and copy the complete video generation prompt. Now open Flow AI and paste the video generation prompt below this image and press enter. Now wait a few seconds and Flow AI convert your simple storyboard image into a high-quality paper crafting video. Now see this? It's amazing. Just download it. So here's the complete guide to make this type of paper crafting videos using AI. The docs file link in the description. And yeah, subscribe.